In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS lawnmower. This guide can be followed for all 18, 19, 20, and 21-inch push mowers with folding handles and lower threaded knobs. Please take a moment to inspect your lawnmower to ensure this video relates to your unit. We will be featuring the 24-volt Powerall 19-inch model. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Due to the size and weight of the box, we recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any packing material and loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the lawnmower out of the box and set it down. Cut the zip ties holding the handles together. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Secure the lower handle. Be advised, the upper handle is attached to the unit by a wire. When setting aside, be careful not to damage this wire. To free the lower handle from the lock pin, hold the ends of the lower handle and push in towards the center of the unit. Once clear of the lock pins, lift the lower handle into position. Engage the bottom handle holes with the lock pins on both sides and tighten the knobs. Install the upper handle. Remove the pre-installed cam locks and knobs. Align the holes in the upper and lower handles. Insert the cam lock bolts through the holes and tighten the knobs onto each side. Secure the cables to the handle using the clips. Battery and charger. If you have a tool-only or corded lawnmower, you have completed assembly. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.